Hello guys, this is Vysh. So we are doing the Plums episode for Friday, that is Science and Technology like always. And today is the first episode of this new year also because last episode of Science we did it in last year, okay, 2022. So the questions we'll discuss, but make sure you are watching from episode 1 and watching all the episodes because it's done in a pattern, okay. We take you from simple questions, then it will be mediate questions, then difficult questions, UPSC previous year questions. There are various ways in which it is done, okay. And here if you see the lectures, important lectures are given, and all these are completely free. It is there in our playlist section. You can go and explore them, okay. Best thing is to come and WhatsApp me in this number, so I'll give you the foundation video which will guide you how to actually prepare for UPSC, what to watch first, what to learn, how to make a timetable. Everything will be taught in WhatsApp itself, okay. So the first question for today, episode number 33, Dalbergia species, okay, that is sometimes there in the news. It is associated with what? Is it rosewood, clouded leopard, Himalayan ibex, or cactus? So this you can call an environment question also, because the environment and science and tech question are always like what to say, hand in hand. It will be looking similar also most of the time. And how to prepare for science and tech, I have done a detailed video. I uploaded on December 30th. You can go and check that video. Okay. So what is this related to? So if you've read the news, it appears in the Indian Express and in Hindu and all. So it is rosewood. Okay. So India opposes CITES. Okay, CITES body. UPSC have asked multiple times. CITES move to regulate trade in all species of Dalbergia. Okay, that's how it was in news. So decision of CITES is being questioned by India, and everybody is asking. So on one hand, Dalbergia, Indian rosewood, is a threatened timber species. However, another Dalbergia, commonly known as the shisham or North Indian rosewood, is common species, freely traded so far within and across Indian border. So the trade of shisham and all these things also comes in news. So you should know one is North Indian rosewood and this is called the Indian rosewood. And by virtue of being extremely durable, least susceptible to dry wood termites in India, it is widely used for high quality furniture, cabinets, marine and aircraft grade plywood. So this applications of certain plants and trees and woods and all that also sometimes like match the following and all UPSC can ask you. Okay, so in Down to Earth, okay, Down to Earth is one very important magazine I'll tell you for your environment related topics. Okay, environment, nature, science, earth sciences, everything you will get detailed articles here. So if you're enrolled to our test series, anyway, I have taken a lot of questions from there, so you don't have to worry. Else, if you are planning to read some magazine, I will recommend Down to Earth. Okay, online articles will be there. You can log in and watch or read that. So the second question, often seen in news, stereolithography, invented and it's actually and patented in the 1980s, refers to what? Okay, so one common thing is there which you always hear. This is actually a technical name for that, stereolithography. So what is it? Is it related to or referring to stone sculpting method, wax modeling method, 3D printing method, or method to segregate chemicals? Okay, so this there are different methods for it. So what is it referring to? The stereolithography is referring to which one of the following: stone sculpting, wax modeling, 3D printing, or method to segregate chemicals? So here answer is C, 3D printing. About 3D printing, UPSC have asked two questions in the past, in the last 5 years, in mains as well as prelims. So you have to know that, okay, in the 1980s, this person has discovered and patented the process of stereolithography, which is also 3D printing. Okay, and now it is used for various things, and in the future also 3D printing is going to be very much in the news. Okay, it is going to change the way things are working in the world. So in Hindu, there's a science and tech page. From that only this article is taken. Okay. Question number 3, which of the following is false about DRDO? So when you study science, you have to study about ISRO, DRDO, and there are many things, factual things, which can go wrong. So that is why you have to be careful while learning this. Okay, it's a one-time learning and it will be done. So it is under the administrative control of the Ministry of Defense. It was formed in 1958 and its headquarters is in New Delhi. DRDO's first major project in air-to-air missiles was known as Project Indigo. Its motto is "Strength's origin is in science." So this, if you see, are very factual information. That is, as I told, one-time learning. It's not like these things are going to change. Okay, unless if headquarters are shifted or something, these things will not change because it's a static part. So here, which one of the following is false? Meaning 3 of them are true. Okay, so here you should know that Ministry of Defense obviously is true. Year is also true. Headquarters is in Delhi. That is also true, and this motto is also true. So here, DRDO had its first project, that is Project Indigo, but it is not air-to-air missile. Okay, that is the only error here. It is actually the statement 3 which is wrong. or false because it is a surface to air missile. Okay, you should know what is like from surface to air or from air to air. Okay, like that missiles, different categories are there. You should know the examples also of all those things, and you should know what is this IGMDP. Okay, integrated missile guided missile program, which is like Abdul Kalam's project. Also inside that we have 5 missiles. Okay, Prithvi is there, Agni is there, Akash, Trishul, Nag. So these kind of various things are there. Which one is air to air, which one is air to surface, all these things you have to know. Okay, so in this I think maybe Trishul will be surface to air, or Akash will be air to air. That you have to go and confirm. Okay, which one is which. Yet you can go and check. Okay, which one is which, and that is to be present in your notes. The notes which you make for science and tech, you should have this listed. Okay, Vysh IAS students will get a revision chart where I'll have a detailed chart where I've given explanation for each of these missile. Okay. Now question number 4, compounds of which among the following contributes to white color when added to fireworks? Okay, so this kind of application type questions comes in UPSC. It used to come 5-6 years back. Maybe it will repeat again. So because of the banning of fireworks during Diwali and all these things are always in the news, so they can ask the technical part of it. So compounds of which one is adding the white color? You know, fireworks is white, green, blue and all. So aluminum, strontium, barium, none of these, because these all things will give different colors. Okay, different colors to fireworks, and it's used in the making of fireworks. So which one is giving the white color? That is the question. Okay, so it's there in your basic textbook, so it's not very difficult question, but still it will be a learning. Okay, so A, aluminum. Okay, so aluminum, Al, and if it is converted into oxide, Al2O3. Okay, that's all you don't need to know. Alumina is there. So the alumina is the one which causes white color. Copper is the one which causes blue color. Barium green color. Sodium yellow, and strontium red. Okay, this is there in our Science and Tech magazine which I give to my enrolled students. So this you have to by heart. Okay, because one time learning and then this is not going to change. Okay, these are the different colors in fireworks due to different compounds. Okay. So now 5th question for today, which of the following are true about crude oil? Okay, so crude oil, you know, a detailed question came in UPSC. Brent crude is a sweet light crude oil. Dubai crude is a medium sour crude oil, and the benchmark is called Fateh. West Texas Intermediate WTI is the lightest and sweetest compared to Brent and Dubai. So there are 3 models of crude they are telling. Okay, Brent crude, Dubai crude and WTI crude. About this WTI only a question came in 2021 prelims. Okay, so that is why it is important. So these 3, they have given the features, like one is sweet light, one is medium sour, and this is like the lightest and sweetest. Okay, so here options are 1 only, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, or 1 and 2 only. So if you have not heard about this and you don't know anything, then it's a difficult question. You can skip in the exam hall. Else, if you have studied about this, then you should know the answer here is C, 1, 2 and 3. Everything is true. I just wanted to give you the factual information. And again, it's a one-time learning. Any time in future UPSC ask also, these things are not going to change. Okay, so if you see sweetness, we tell no sweet. What is this? Sweetness means less sulfur content. Meaning when we tell this is sweet light means Brent crude has less sulfur content. This is medium sour means it has more sulfur content. Okay, this sweetest mean it has the least sulfur content. So this is the best one you can tell, or it's your choice how to decide which is best, because lightness is also one factor. So light means lesser density. So this is like light. This is not like that much light, and this is the lightest. Okay, so as a ordering, if you write order of sweetness, it will be WTI, the sweetest one, greater than Brent, greater than Dubai. And the locations where you get their crude oil, if you see, this is the Dubai area. Okay, you know, Middle East is here. So the Dubai crude is from here. The Brent crude is like across everywhere it is there. And WTI crude is this one, Western Texas. Okay, this is the USA area, you can tell. So these are the areas in which different types of crude oil are extracted. So this basic information, which you doesn't find it usually in every textbook, I just wanted to give you. Okay, so these were the 5 questions for today. And like I told, following Plum series alone will not be sufficient for you to clear prelims. It will help you understand what kind of questions comes, what kind of things are being covered by coaching classes. Every type of questions I'll show you, even previous year questions. So now what you have to do is, for science and tech, I have already made a video, a detailed video of how to prepare science and tech. Okay, what all to be taking care. So you have to read newspaper, join one good test series, solve high quality MCQs, observe the things happening around you, and then dedicatedly practice. Okay, so in our test series also, we have this science. Okay, we have this science specific 5 test which you can enroll separately, and we have this current affair also 24 months which you will get all the science information which happened in the news. Okay, so static also, and the current affairs also will be taken care by Vysh IAS. Okay, so these are different packages. If you see science and tech separately also, we have this 5 test PDF, and here current affairs of different years is there. So whichever year as per your joining date, you can come and enroll. If you're 2024 aspirant and all, you can get this one. Okay, the latest one. And the next year after this also, I will announce that time you can enroll that also, because this is going to help you clear all the questions which comes in the prelims. Okay, so I will wind up this video. Thank you and have a nice day.